Here at Brandt's Farm Supply, we have a passion for great customer service while managing the products of the future. Today we're going to talk a little bit about one of those, the Automower from Husqvarna. When it comes to the installation, we believe it's the key to what kind of experience you'll have. We'll start by finding the most central spot in your yard to place the charging station. From there, we'll begin to map out the plot of your mower with the boundary wire, similar to an invisible dog fence. As the installation progresses, we'll most likely run into one of two common obstacles: a driveway separating different areas of the yard, or something we call islands, which include small gardens, trees, or any other area that might obstruct the mower's path. Fortunately for you, our Automower specialists at Brandt's have the experience from installing over 100 Automowers and have developed a consistent method to do so with excellence.